This video is for all Florida students, grades 3 through 12, who would like to get some practice on the upcoming FAST test. So the website you need to go to is FS Assessments. Make sure there's a S on the end of assessment.org, O-R-G, /families dot HTML. This website is going to be in the description below, and it's going to take you directly to the website that's going to help you guys get in some practice before the big test. So this is the website. It's Florida Statewide Assessments, and as you can see on the left, it says prepare your student. This is what you're going to click. This is an exact mirror of the FAST test, so students should recognize these screens. You want to leave these two options on and then go ahead and click sign in. Here you have your grade level. As you can see, it starts at 3rd grade and it's going to end at 12th. There's also a 30 here. I'm not sure exactly what that is, so I would disregard that. So you're going to choose your grade level. For now, I'm going to choose 4th grade. And then it's going to go ahead and bring up all of the testing materials. You have writing, reading, you have math, and that's really all we need to focus on. There's quite a few things as you keep scrolling down, but I would disregard that. So for now, we're going to go ahead and start with reading. So you're going to click on reading. And then there's a few things that are going to pop up, certain accommodations. If you would like to have these accommodations turned on, go ahead and turn them on. I would disregard the accessibility settings. I always tell my students that. Just leave everything in the default settings. So you'll click begin test now. And here, as you can see, this is an exact example of what the FAST test looks like. So here it looks like there's only about 10 questions. I would advise students to take this in one sitting. And what I mean by that is there shouldn't be any breaks. There shouldn't be any pausing and coming back. You would like to have yourself and set up your surroundings and your environment to mirror testing environment. So you want to take it in one sitting. I would advise to be at a desk or a table. You don't want any distractions, so you would want to be in a quiet area so you can get the best results. So now we're going to go in and see what the math looks like. So we're going to look at the math materials. Here you have the same settings. You just want to begin test now. Here we have our math material. Doesn't really say how many questions, but you put your answer in and there's some icons up at the top left corner. You have your back button, your next button, your save, and your pause. On the right side, you have some formulas, some other things that you may be able to utilize. Like I said, I would not recommend pausing, saving, coming back to the test. You want to prepare yourself as if you were actually taking the test. So that is just kind of a resource if anyone is wanting to get a little extra testing or extra practicing for the big test that's coming up. I would like to say good luck to all. Let's go Florida.